guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you 3 recipes using persimmon fruit. So right now it's in season, so there's a lot of persimmons and it's really cheap, right? And if you have a fruit tree, a persimmon fruit tree, then you will be able to use this recipe for your own use. So for now, I will be showing you the recipes. These are I will have 2 appetizers using the persimmon fruit. So for now, I will be using 2 persimmon fruit and just 1 lemon. So it's very simple. So all we have to do is just peel this persimmon. I will just use 1. Then cut it in half and remove. Of course, you have to remove this core. And then if there's any seeds, you have to remove it. But you know, the persimmon fruit that we have, it doesn't have seeds. So all you have to do is just divide it into 2 or maybe 4. I'm going to show you 2 persimmon again, but this time we're going to use crumbled feta cheese and also pecan nuts, or you can also use pistachio. Okay, so pecan nuts or pistachio will be the best. So again, all you have to do is peel this persimmon fruit. Peel it again. Remove the core again. Okay, remove this. If there are seeds, remove it too. Okay, so it's done. Let me wash it. And then just divided it into 2. That's it. And then you can put here, make it hollow like a cave. You want this one more? Our dog Sif really likes persimmon fruit. So every time that he sees it, oh, he's so excited. Okay, let me give that to you, okay? Okay, now for this, then I'm going to put let me get a spoon. We will just put the cheese on top. Or you can also use a goat cheese. Put it there. And then if you have a food processor, just put a little bit of pecan. There. And then you can put the pecan nuts on top for an added twist. Okay. you go, boy. So now we have another appetizer using our persimmon fruit. Ooh, good. Very good. Go to the third one. This time we're going to use it. We're going to use the persimmon fruit in our salad. So we'll just be using a baby spinach, avocado, and persimmon fruit. Okay, so put a little bit. I'm using a baby spinach. You can also use a spring salad mix, and that will be good. Okay, so let me
Stir this again. They're right from the tree. Okay, remove this one.
Okay, but this time make it smaller pieces, cube size. Throw it out. So we'll be making it in cubes. You want another one, boy? Okay, I'll give you another one. Come here.
Oh, you know you like persimmon.
Just put it here. And then have cut your avocado. Put it there together with the others. And toss it. Now you have a beautiful, healthy persimmon, avocado, and spinach salad. And you can use your own dressing if you want. Okay? Now just oil and vinegar will do, or any of the other dressings that you would like. Okay, I hope you like the recipes that I did here. 2 appetizers and 1 salad. And I hope that you will enjoy these recipes. Okay, so please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified if we have other videos that will be coming. Okay, I hope you enjoy this one and have a good day. God bless.